Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can challenge the Mexican club theme event in eFootball 2024. This is team user matches. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can uh, do the mission or complete the objectives so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap the dream team. This one, tap and tap the events and try to search this Mexican club team event. So you can learn here. Tap event. This is the event description of Mexican clubs theme event. So you can earn football coin here, skill training program by playing PvP matches. Here you can learn. This is event condition. So let's get started by tap the enter. So you have to choose your team for this event. You will be able to change your chosen team during the event also. This is all team for Mexican League. For example, I want to tap this Guadalajara. Next, tap to enter. And there are 3 challenges here. Tap. So you have to play or aim for 1 win. So you can also, this is 3 attempt for you. Tap the game plan first. As you can see, you get this Guadalajara player play for you. To challenge this event, you have to play them. And tap to the match so you can challenge the event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click text button below. Enjoy the game.